part 2. Go ahead and start this all over again for you one more time. Take an ordinary knife, cut them through the sides first. That's what I do. Right there. Right there. Take your pliers or some skinners, whatever you prefer. Gonna skin them real quick. Oh. I know most people usually hang them up and skin them, but I like to do it the old-fashioned way. It's quicker. Just I'm trying to play tough. Like it. Maybe you want to skin them faster. I think it's pregnant. Yeah, it's about to explode. Next time I'm going to have some skinners, because it's kind of ripping it up a little bit. Another female blue cat. Pretty nice. Skin it. Make sure you get the belly. Right there. Try to get up there as far as possible. Try to bite me on my finger. And my finger right there by his mouth. He just sitting there munching on. Cut him right up under the belly. Wherever you stop cutting that. It just pop. Look, just like that. Alright, then you're gonna take your knife. Then you're gonna put it right here. Right up under this dorsal fin. Cut it straight at an angle. Don't cut straight down, at an angle. Belly already hanging, baby. Twist your knife like that. This is the best part. You're gonna hear all that pop. But all that, see how it falls out? It's just in there.
It's a lot of heads.
Yeah, I know, right? A lot of heads in the sink. Well, it took like 30 minutes to clean them all. See how you got it wide open? You got a sack right there and all that. You cut all that out. It does. Cut it right there just a little bit. Lean it to the side. And you can just rake all this out. Everything come out with it. See how you can just rake it clean. You got your knife sharpened though. Beautiful. You can't get no cleaner than that. Take you some cold water, just turn on that cold water right there. Squeeze that blood up out of there. Make sure you get all that fat from around the sides. See that fat right there? Just a little basic wash off. Oh man, this mug is pretty, baby. Oh yeah. Squeeze all the water off of them. Now I'm going to show you how to fillet these big bad boys.